Hey guys, this is Belichick, the cockatiel. She's very young. And from what I believe, it is a boy. If someone in the comments wants to correct me, I checked under his wing, and what it looked like. Let me see your wings. What it looked like. The primaries are the ones that had the dots. So if someone wants to correct me, please do so. And very young, around 4 weeks old. He's a sweetheart. He's little for his age. He's around 70 grams. I'm still on 3 feedings a day, but no, he's doing pretty good. Doesn't really get along with the other birds, or should I say the other birds don't really get along well with anyone, any other birds. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Oh, there we go. Well, that's it. That's Belichick the cockatiel. Most of you guys are going to know, obviously, why we named him Belichick, or who Belichick is, not why we named him, but there you go. Another bird.